Hello there, Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Welcome back to my channel. If you like it, please subscribe, and more importantly, tell other people. Put it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever your flavor is. Anyway, this video is pretty short and simple. There is no thought process involved except for stupidity. Yet another YouTube video I watched, and this was some time ago. I'm just getting around to doing a video on it right now. I like YouTube. I use it a lot, especially when I purchase something. I will go like on Amazon and type something in that I want, see what seems to be the most popular, how many people have bought it. But then I'll go on to YouTube and I'll watch YouTube video reviews on a particular product. Maybe it's a pair of shoes, maybe it's a backpack, maybe it's a flashlight, whatever. And I'll always type in the year that I want to see the review. So of course you want to see the most current reviews. If I'm looking for a high-tech flashlight with LED lighting or something, I don't want reviews from 2012, I want them from 2020. So with that being said, I run into a lot of just really uninformative, uneducated, stupid window videos for most of the guys, not all of them, okay? Because the guys that are out there actually giving you good information and giving you the heads up and the pitfalls, I give them a lot of credit, and I thank them for doing that. It's nice to know you're not the only one trying to get the information to the client. But this particular video was pretty simple. It was in a window showroom, which is fine, and he had 3 frames. He picked up a vinyl corner cut frame and said, you know, vinyl's going to be your cheaper end, low end, kind of for fix and flip, stuff like that. This is when you don't want a very good window. Then he picked up the fiberglass and said, this is going to be your mid-grade window. And then, of course, he picks up a wood window and says, when you're looking for premium, this is going to be your higher end window. Okay, that's the problem I have. Didn't give you any reasons why one was any better or worse than the other. No performance ratings, no discussion on durability, longevity, warranty, none of it. I guess you're just supposed to fall in line with his belief system. Vinyl sucks, fiberglass is mid-grade, and wood is high-end. One of the dumbest videos I've seen, one of the most misinformative videos I've seen, and of course, and I'm not going to say the name, but then he pointed out that he was in a showroom from a brand name that let him use the showroom. I don't think I need to say any more. Anyway, that's it. Maybe this video is just me venting, but hey, it beats paying a therapist $200 an hour. I'm Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. Thanks for tuning in. Look for more videos.